What's up, Jerry?
Nice to meet you.
Did you?
But exactly the same way.
Down here in the city of Atlanta, guys, volunteering as a motorcycle support for the Publix Atlanta Marathon and Half Marathon, and also a USATF, I think, marathon, or Half Marathon, which has a prize associated with it. This is my first one. I'm following the two guys here. Got here at 5 o'clock. And I think it's supposed to end at 2:30 today, so something to enjoy. But at least we have good weather today, so let's get this done. Talk to you guys later. As a support motorcycle, so I go to the different aid and hydration stations. To support the aid tables and communicate back to the proper location. The locations that can send someone to help, so it's just basically right now traveling to a different aid station. They call it an aid station. Mile marker 18 we're going to now. The race has not, well, maybe it has started. It's 7:19 right now. It's supposed to start around 7:10 or sun up. So we have enough light to start. So most people are communicating via amateur radio. I don't have an amateur radio license, so I am riding with someone that does, and I also can be communicated with via my cell phone. So we're headed to the mile marker, or not mile marker, mile 18 of the marathon, which is the second part of the race. Some people are running the half marathon and some are running the full marathon. So it's interesting to see what all goes on, from medical to the hydration stations to the wet bulb communication, which measures.
Race has started.
Huh?
Race has started. Said the race has started.
Yeah, I saw the time here. I figured it had started.
There's a guy in a three-wheeler pushing himself, went first before.
Yeah, he starts first, right?
Yeah, it gave him a 15-minute head start.
Right. He should be going faster than most of them, if not all of them.
Yeah. In July the 4th, we see those guys. There's a whole bunch of them, and they are booking it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm glad we got.
The runners.
Yeah. So the race has started. So the wet bulb thing is somehow a measurement of the humidity on the course, and if the humidity gets too high, or different levels of humidity, they put out a certain color of flag up to a black flag, which actually ends the race. So they have to shut the race down if the humidity level reaches the black flag level. So where the half marathon is on the north side of the full course, and the full marathon covers the same north side that the half marathon and the south side, to complete the 26.2 miles, I think. The half marathon is 16.1 miles, if I'm correct, if I'm not mistaken. I'll check in with you guys later. We're 24 minutes into the race. Part of this at mile 20, after mile 20, at mile 20, part of this trail goes through Grant Park. We're at Grant Park right now. So we're covering the trail, checking to make sure it's clear and other things. Clearing tree limbs if we see any tree limbs from the course. So we're riding the course right now. I can say it's been years since I've been in Grant Park, which is where Zoo Atlanta is. Also making sure the course is marked with cones. There is the pool. Headed now to the next mile marker.
This is not a hydration station, this is a cheer zone.
This is a what zone?
Cheer zone. They're cheering.
Oh, really? Okay.
They play music and dance.
Look like we're going up to take a left on Magnolia. I don't know if Magnolia's on both sides or what, but
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
yeah, at least they got the course marked. We have the elite runners coming through. The runners on the left side.
Power insurance, water second.
I've just passed the 16.3 mile. The ones that are passing right now are approaching to the right in front of this motorcycle, the 24 mile mark. So they've gone up and ran a little under 8 miles, 7.7 miles, and coming back the same street, which is Peachtree Street on either side of Mitchell Street. That's where we are now. So 2.2 miles left for the runners that are passing on my side of the street. They're dedicated. I'm impressed by somebody that can run that long and willing to run that long. Shout out to all of you that have done it. Appreciate you guys checking this out. watching a little behind the scenes of the workings of a marathon. This is by the Atlanta Track Club, and it is the Publix Atlanta Marathon.
Can't get the jerk.
This is kind of fun. So we get to ride on this. Oh really? Yeah, we get to be. Oh wow. That's why the motors are so cool. Yeah. We go where the runners go. Okay. There's a sad van with 6 runners in it right now. He's like, I can't take any more, I'm full.